How to embed a video on X. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can embed a video from X into your own tweet. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the X app on your phone and make sure that you're logged into your account. And now here, imagine that you are scrolling through all the posts, and here, let's say you found something good video that you want to embed to your profile. So here, if you want to do that, you simply have to tap on the share icon, which can be seen at the bottom right side of that post. And now here from the pop-up menu, you simply have to tap on copy link. And once you're done with that, you simply have to tap on the plus icon. And now here from the pop-up menu, simply select post. And now here, you simply have to paste that link that you have copied before. And now here, once you have copied that link, under that link, you simply have to type in the words that you want to add with the post. Now here, let's say I want to add something like sports. And here, once you're done typing in, simply tap on post. And here, once you have posted it, you simply have to check it into your profile, and here as you can see the video is successfully embedded. And that's it. That's how you can embed a video on X. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.